Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video. It's going to be a colourful makeup tutorial, like colourful on my eyes. I don't ever do colours, like I kind of just stick to the pinks and nudes and stuff. So I'm really excited, but at the same time I'm also really scared. But I do have some inspiration here. I'm going to be copying Michael Finch's eye look, minus the glitter. So I'm going to be doing, I might just keep it small, but we will see how it goes. So if you want to see how I create it and what the end result looks like, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair. So I'm just going to take the concealer under my brow and put it all over my lid to prep it for the eyeshadow. Before I blend that all out, I'm just going to go put some tape here so I can get a sharp line and do my wing. Now that that's on, I'm just going to go blend that out with my beauty blender. To set that down, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in the shade Silky Beige, and just place that all over the concealer. So for the eyes, Michael does go in with the Australis Kaleidoscope eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. First off, he starts off with this pink colour here. Okay, so next off, he didn't break. It did not break. Oh my god, heart attack. He goes in with this one here, this pink. Next off, I'm going in with this purple one right here. He then also does take a black, which I never really wear black and I'm really scared, but I feel like if I'm copying his look, I have to do it. So I'm just going to use the black that's in the Australis Kaleidoscope palette, but he uses a black from another one, which I don't have. So I guess we're just going to have to go in with this. Oh, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. And just going back in with that purple, blending over it. So for the cut crease, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again. Just carving out the crease. Just going to set that with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder again. He then goes in with this champagne colour here. So I'm going to try and apply that with no Fix Plus, but I might need to put a little bit of Fix Plus on it. Now just going back in with my brush that had the purple on it and blending them two together. For my wing, I'm going to be going with the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. Just now, just to clean up under my eyes, I'm just going to take my nail and a wipe. Just wipe. I'm just going to now coat my lashes with some mascara and chuck on some falsies. So for lashes, I'm going to go in with the ones from Lashlotic, and they are called Nikki, and this is what they look like. If you're interested in grabbing some, I do have a code for you guys. It's just Kirsty10, and that will get you 10% off your purchase. And for primer, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I'm just going to put this all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the shade 11 Vanilla. Put this all over my face. Then going in with the foundation brush and just blending that all in. I'm just going to do a rough job of that and then go in with my beauty blender, if I can find it, and blend it all. Because I do want a little bit more full coverage, I'm going to put a little bit more on and blend the rest in. For concealer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me again. Now to set my whole face, I'm going with my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder again in this shade Silky Beige. To set my brows in place, I'm going in with NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Espresso and just running this through my brows. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with this blue colour here and just run this all the way under. I don't actually have a Drugstore bronzer, so I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Brightening Finishing Powder in the shade Bronze Glow. It just looks like this. I'm going to take that. That is the only product that I'm using that isn't Drugstore in my lashes. For blush, I'm going in with the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. And for highlighter, I haven't actually used this yet, it's still shut. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. If I can open it, that would be great. Oh, Jesus. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm really excited for this. It hasn't even been swatched yet. I didn't even swatch it when I brought it. I just brought it because it looks really pretty. Okay, so go in and highlight my cheeks. Just gonna put it a little bit above my eyebrow and my nose and my cupid's bow. For lips today, I'm just going in with a gloss. So I'm going to be going with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Tres Leches. I don't even think that's what it's called, but oh my god, it smells so good. Could eat it. To set my face, I'm going in with the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. That is so cold. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very different to what I usually do, but I do like it. I'm very impressed with the Kaleidoscope palette by Australis. Like, for Australis, it is really, really good. Like, the nude champagne colour, I didn't even use Fix Plus. Like, that's just from the pan on a brush onto my eyes. Literally nothing. So I'm very impressed with that. It was really easy to blend, really pigmented as well. So yes, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.